a great energy, and you see that from the moment you start on your first day.
We like a family here.
And this has probably been one of the most exciting places to work.
We are making a history, and I'm excited to be part of it.
This is probably one of the best places to get promoted. I personally have been promoted twice within my first 9 months here. I've seen many of people start at an entry-level position, and they have continued to grow and be promoted within the company.
When I got promoted, it felt great, and it let me know that I have a future here.
I've been here over a year, and we are growing big time. We started out with a couple hundred, now we're well over 1,000.
Ultium ZELL is a great place to work. Opportunities to learn about new technology and grow in your career. We're growing at an extraordinary rate across 3 sites. These are tremendous opportunities to get in early in new technology and make a difference in your career.
We're here in the simulator room where the trainees are actually coming in to learn on this equipment. A lot of people like to tell me it's similar to like a video game, guiding you through the process. So this is a part of the paid training course for all of our operators. With this training, they'll actually be out on the floor within a few weeks.
We produce battery cells that are used in our customer General Motors Ultium platform-based electric vehicles, including the Hummer EV and Cadillac Lyriq.
We are creating clean energy jobs right here in America.
At Ultium ZELL, you actually get full benefits from day one.
First day that I came in here, myself, my daughter, and my granddaughter, we all taken care of. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but that's something new to me, get benefits the first day you start.
Ultium ZELL's tuition reimbursement program is amazing. Through the program, I was able to get $8,000 reimbursement every year, which helped take a load off of my shoulders. It helped me get 2 master's degrees so that I can further my career here.
I would say the best part about working at Ultium ZELL is the culture. Like getting to meet everybody and different people from all walks of life.
I honestly love my job at Ultium ZELL. This company, it truly fosters and cares about their employees. And it's something that you learn from day one in orientation. They want people to succeed within their company. And it's not just always about making an exceptional product, but it's having exceptional employees that really take pride in their job.
It's been a really great experience here, and I can see myself doing very well at this company.
Great supervisors, great team. Like is an understatement. I love it. I love it. And I'm gonna tell you something, I'm glad I made this decision, and I plan on retiring from here.